Hello, welcome to Glad Tech YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you how to generate 3D cartoon. This 3D cartoon can be used for various reasons and purpose. You can use it to as your animated cartoon. You can use it for advertisements. You can use it to design a picture or any graphic of your choice. In order to do this, there are a few steps you have to take. Make sure you go to your Play Store or App Store and download Chat GPT. So right here, sign up, and next thing you have to do is to click on the plus icon right here. Click on photo. So I'll select any of the image of my choice. So I'll go with this. Click add one. So you have to describe how you want the image to look like. So right here, all you have to do is to click on the send in order to allow it process for some time. So this is my request, and this is the description of how the request will look like, and this is it. So this is a cartoon. You can see here's your 3D female cartoon character. Look at it. So if you want to save it, you just have to click on this here, the save option, and save it. If you want to share it, you can just click on the share option and share it. You can attach a conversation if you choose to. Or just click on the share option and you can share it to different platforms of your choice. So, or if you still want to edit it, you can just click on the edit option and then describe how you want it to be edited, and it will be edited by Chat GPT. So guys, that is it on how to create 3D cartoon on Chat GPT. If this video was helpful, do want to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell to always get notified anytime I upload helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching.